Hello friends. So today I'm going to review my computer keyboard, which is of Dell company. And if we see its back, okay, sorry I pressed so many buttons. It's written made in China, some numbers and all, and it's Dell keyboard KB212B. So this is the model, and here the standard uh, this uplifters which you get with most of these standard. Some logos are there, and one more uplifter, and it's a normal one. It's not a mechanical keyboard like the TVS Bharat Gold and all others, but I'm pretty happy with it. So you can see how smooth the keys are, and they all work properly. We have a number pad as well, and these caps lock etc have their lights as well, standard. So I will, if I have to rate this keyboard, I will rate probably it's 4.5 or 4 or out of 5, because I have used mechanical ones as well and I love them, like the TVS Bharat Gold etc. But this is also a pretty good one. So if you are planning to buy, you can buy it, and I think it's more or less it's like in 500 to 1000 rupees range, as of what I know. So if you want to go for it, then it's a good choice. Thank you friends.